Champions League, I want you guys to understand one thing about Champions League. This Champions League is different from the league that we play in our country. You have to understand that one. Champions League is different from that one. Let Paris Saint-Germain understand that Champions League is different from League One. The team that they beat 7, Lille, Montpellier, Angers, Brest, is different from Champions League. Champions League is another level. It's another level of competition. This Champions League, even you are not in your best form in your league, when you go to this Champions League, automatically it activated you come to your best form. Let's Paris Saint-Germain understand that. Today, football have taught me that ball possession is not important in football. Paris Saint-Germain, the way they play today, Jim, they are the best team. They are the best team. Paris Saint-Germain play exceptional football. The way they retain the ball, the way they possess the ball, they are the best team for today, Jim. But Liverpool shows them that this competition is not about holding a ball or possessing a ball. This competition is about experience. Experience. Paris Saint-Germain is the best team. Nobody is going to disagree with that one. Today they are the best team. The chance that they have, Liverpool did not have that one. But Liverpool showed them that this competition at this stage, it doesn't matter whether you play good football or you play bad football. The most important thing, have a target, and if you have that target, you will qualify to the next stage. Today, football taught me that ball possession is not important. Mourinho had been saying this thing for several years. Take your ball possession, I take my 3 points. Today, that is exactly what Liverpool have did to Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain play exceptionally. At the dying minute of the game, 3 people touched the ball. Goalkeeper, Nunes, Elliott, goal. The game is finished. Champions League is amazing. A very big congratulations to Liverpool. I know Liverpool will qualify because the way Liverpool are in themselves, the way they were defending, they know that this stage, it doesn't matter whether you play good football, whether you play bad football. You have to have a target. Today, that's what Liverpool did. I am not angry about the way Liverpool play today because they know it. Even Real Madrid, when they reach at a certain stage in this competition, they don't play good football. They will defend. If they have the ball, they counter attack. At the next minute, they qualify to the next stage. That is the most important thing. It doesn't matter you play bad football, you don't play tiki-taka football. All those things are not important. Today, Liverpool shows us that it's not important. Paris Saint-Germain dominated. Liverpool have a lesser chance. I think 2 shots on target. And now Liverpool, they collected the 3 points. They have the advantage to go to Anfield. So it's going to be a very difficult game for Paris Saint-Germain when they go into Anfield. Anfield is one of the most noisiest stadium in world. So you have that advantage, a goal advantage, and also Anfield fans, they are going to support Liverpool in the returning leg. So it's going to be a very difficult game for Paris Saint-Germain. Still now, I can say when it comes to percentage, Liverpool have 85%.